Control number 42153, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Joris Baisa. I'm 39 years old. I am single mom. I have two kids. I have two brothers and two sisters, and I have a second of family.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm a high school graduate in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
To help my family and to the future of my kids.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, ma'am. But I have experience in the Philippines in 4 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for elderly?
Preparing the food and medicines.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for babies?
Taking a bath, change diaper, preparing food, and play with them.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking, ma'am.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Steamed fish and vegetables. Pasta, in Filipino, adobo and menudo.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
Honest, responsibility, and hardworking.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
We have a good relationship and they treat me with like a family.
Message for a future employer in Hong Kong.
Ma'am, sir, if I have to choose me as a domestic helper, I will do my best and responsibility, and I will promise to finish my contract in 2 years and more. Thank you.